Got cracks on your walls? Fix them the right way with Sapal 2-in-1. Grind out those hairline cracks. Create a clean channel for a proper repair. Clean the cracks. A quick brush removes all dust and debris. Apply Sapal 2-in-1. Smooth it in with a spatula to fill and seal the channel. Spread it evenly across the surface to ensure a solid fill and a tight, reliable seal that bonds firmly to the wall. Let it dry. Sapal 2-in-1 sets strong and fast. Sand it down for that perfectly even finish. Add a coat of paint, and just like that, your wall looks brand new. Sapal 2-in-1. Strong, smooth, seamless. Fix it once, fix it right.